Okay, good morning. It's nearly 8 o'clock in the morning. Is it? Or 7? 8. 8. Right. Okay, so this is a 5 kilowatt Chinese diesel heater. Cost me £89, one of the cheapest ones. I've done a video on this before. I'm not doing a video on this again. What I'm doing is, one of my subscribers asked me, how long does a car battery last? Haven't got a clue, but we're going to find out. So the idea is I'm going to get a car battery which is fully charged. We're going to check it now. I'll take you with me. We're going to set this up. We're going to put it on. Hopefully about 8 o'clock. It's not quite there yet. And then we're going to leave it and see how long it lasts on one car battery. Now you've got to remember one thing with the car battery. There's all different ones, ampage and whatnot, amp hours and all that. And leisure batteries are all different as well. So depending on the battery that you're using will depend on the amount of time that this will run for. Now, for all the geeks out there, well, I'm not one of them at all, you can actually work it out with the ampage that this is drawing to the amount of ampage that your battery will last. I don't know what that is. There is a mathematical equation you can use. From the into that, I'm just going to plug a standard car battery in and see how long. Battery's fully charged. I've had it on. That's why it's nearly 9 o'clock now. I thought I'd do a fair test. So positive, there we go, just put that tooth back in. Perfect. I'm going to stipulate again, negative, positive, alright. And then we have power. So here we go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fire this up to full power, get it warm, drop it down to the lowest setting, and then see how long it works off this battery. This is what I was asked, like I said, by a subscriber. Now, if you want me to do another test later on, not today, when this one's done, please leave a comment down below and I'll do a test using a 145 amp hour leisure battery to see how long that lasts, because even I'd be interested. Right, without further ado, let's have a look. On. There we go. It's on 3. Okay, we definitely have a failure on that battery. It's down to 9 volts, which is not very good. I've got another one here which has got a green light on it. I don't know how good they are. This is just an experiment that I wanted to try out myself, so I do apologise for that. Let's swap it over. Make sure we got it right. Negative and positive. I can't even see that. Hold on one second. Oh, positive. There we go. And yep, this is off my boat. I don't know how good it is. We did charge it up, so we'll see. So yeah, that battery was that's died to death, so that's gonna have to go. This is another one. I'm not too sure what amp power is it. Let's have a look. This is it's only a 30. What was the other one? What was that one? 43. So this is only a 30 amp hour. Like I said, there is a way of working this out. Right, let's hope to fire up. I'm going to fire this up onto. I'm going to take it higher, I think, and I want to get. If it's failed, it's only just gone out because it's still warm. Oh, that's nice. Right, I'm taking it up to 6 to give her a good clean out, and then I'll take it back down to 1, and we'll do another timer on it. Okay, full power. There we go. Right. So it's now 10 to 11. So yeah. Double check to 11. Let's see how long this one lasts. I don't know. There's a green light on the battery saying there's charge in it. So we'll catch you in a bit. Alright. Probably give it another, well, we'll give it 6. Just a quick update. 4 hours on. Same battery. Well, it's going to be the same battery. It wouldn't be a test, would it? So we've still got a green light. See if you can see that. Oh, there you go. Look, there's a green light. It's not a green light. It's just a fluorescent saying the battery's still holding its charge. When that doesn't show, you've got a dead battery. Anyway, so see you in 4 hours. Hopefully. Okay, 5 hours. Battery. 30 amp hours. Just so I'll let you know that, and we're still going strong. It's 5 hours. Hopefully she'll reach the 8 hours. Plenty of fuel left. Remember, what I'm using here, this battery, is just a standard car battery on its own. right, and this is on the lowest setting. So the higher the setting, you're going to use more juice because the fan's going to kick in. And you'll use more fuel. That's got nothing to do with the battery, but you'll use more juice because of the fan. All right. Catch you in a couple of hours then. I'm doing it hourly, so if battery does fail, at least we know how many hours we've done. Okay, update number whatever it is. I think it's number 5 in it, or whatever that. Anyway, 7 hours. I'm still going, so I'm going to get to 8 and then I'm going to fire up to full power. Well, I'll show you that anyway. Okay, that's it. 8 hours. Can I run? The question was, can I run my diesel heater off a car battery and how long? I haven't done it the full length. I've gone 8 hours. So I thought, well, if it's overnight, let's look at 8 hours, and that's on low power, so you would be warm. You would be definitely, because that's hot. If I put my hand right close, it'll burn me. So that will be hot in a vehicle or a small room, not in a garage, because it's took the temperature up. Look, it's 7. It is -2 outside. So anyway, I want to clock it up because I want to get the chamber cleaned out. Okay, so that's number 6. Yeah, so if you run it for a long period of time at very low, it's always a good idea to back it up to full power for about 5 or 10 minutes. So yeah, so to the question, this is a 30 amp 12 volt ordinary car battery, and it ran a 5 kilowatt Chinese diesel heater for easy 8 hours. That one didn't, that's knackered. I've got to throw that away. It didn't even hold the power. So yeah, chuffed to pieces with that. I hope this helps somebody in the video who were interested. So, oh, the other thing is, the car battery is separate. Advice: don't use your car battery, which is the one to start the engine, because if it does run down, you won't have enough power to start your engine, and if it's freezing, you'll be in trouble. So do not use your car engine battery to run your diesel heater unless you've got the engine running or a separate means of doing it. In my van, I have 2 leisure batteries which are charged up from either a solar panel or a charge control unit connected to my engine battery, and it will not take any power from the engine battery unless the engine battery is full power, and it only does when the engine is running anyway. Anyway, okay, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be great. Sorry about the adverts, we can't help that. It gives a little bit of revenue, and that pays for the diesel and a new battery. Alright, take care, and we will... Well, hold on, before we go, let's check the fuel. Okay, there's the bottom. This is the top of the fuel tank. Okay, so we're looking about less than, well, let's say quarter of a tank. So 8 hours burn time at low speed, 5 kilowatt diesel heater, quarter of a tank, 8 hours. That's 5 litres, more than that, is it? Yes, 5 litres. So it'll be about, yeah, I don't know, probably just over a litre. That's not bad, is it, really? Alright, thanks very much again, take care. Catch you in the next one.